Good morning, guys. I hope everybody's doing well. Today, we're gonna show you why we prefer steaming the mussels. Alright, go ahead. Put salt in water and then ginger, onions, and garlic on the steamer together with the mussels. Okay, steaming the mussels is a preferred cooking method because it preserves their natural flavor. Oh, right? It keeps them tender and juicy, and is a healthier option with minimal ingredients. It cooks the mussels quickly and reduces the risk of overcooking, allowing for the infusion of flavorful broth or sauce. However, other cooking methods like sauteing, baking, or grilling can also produce delicious results depending on personal preference and recipe requirements. Starting with fresh and properly cleaned mussels is essential for the best flavor and quality in the dish. Steaming allows for better control over the cooking process, reducing the risk of overcooking the mussels. When steaming mussels, you can create a flavorful broth or sauce to accompany the dish, enhancing the overall taste. The preference for how to cook mussels can be subjective, and other cooking methods like sauteing, baking, or grilling can also produce delicious results. The choice of cooking method may depend on personal taste, recipe requirements, or the available kitchen equipment. Alright, guys, try this. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, go to the market and get it. Mussel soup is good too. We used to eat that in the Philippines and we love it. My mom used to cook it that way, you know. Char. Today I'm English speaking, okay? Understand? Alrighty. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep safe, everyone. Take care.